From hospital to hustle, lessons in resilience for every solopreneur. From hospital to hustle, lessons in resilience for every solopreneur. Amid the ongoing saga of my life, I recently found myself in the hospital grappling with a diagnosis of influenza A. Just another layer to the challenges. Rather than dwell on the hardships, I'm here to share some lessons from this humbling month, where my to-do list took a back seat. Prioritize rest. Take the time to rest without guilt. Pause the multitasking frenzy. Listen to your body and, most importantly, put your phone down. Stop apologizing. Explain your situation to those who need to know. If commitments become unmanageable, have open conversations about it. No need to apologize for a social media absence. Refer back to point 1 and focus on rest. Gradual progress. Do what you can on days when you feel better. Don't succumb to procrastination. Take advantage of good days, but avoid overexertion. Strategic focus. As you re-enter the business scene, concentrate on tasks directly contributing to business growth or revenue. Eliminate the non-essential, time-draining activities that don't align with your core objectives. Please forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource, newbeginning.com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. newbeginning.com. Solopreneurs digital branding hub. mynewbeginning.com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs Dream Lifestyle. supats.com. Connect with us at weCare at newbeginning.com. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly.